658. So 660 is where we're at, you know, in between that. That's all we're going to get out of that horsepower. Nuts. That's nuts, guys. 100 horsepower to the wheel, right? Is that what we end up getting close to?
Just by switching the fuel.
Just by switching the fuel and using your eflex fuel system, which I'm a big fan on. We've done it on the Harley Davidson. Everything is stock injectors. So my 600cc stock injectors, your regular fuel pump that comes in the Hellcat, which is obviously a little bit better. No special tuning, a little bit of fine tuning on your guys' side, but that system, that comes with the system that we put in, right? So any of that special, little bit of tuning that we might need to do, eflex fuel can do it. So pretty happy with the results.
I'm happy with the results, and this kind of like shows like the abilities of the system. You can like use it as a plug and play system and it will give you more power, but if you want to tune, then you can tune and like squeeze everything out of that engine. So it's,
and I don't think we did that here. I think we probably still had a little bit left. We were running about what, 59% ethanol content?
I think we gotta take a rerun later on.
With that? I think we should, because it's definitely there. I mean, we were right at the max duty cycle at 6,200 RPMs, which I didn't think we were going to be able to get to that. I thought, you know, because I was smashing it and we were getting to, you know, 5,500. So 6,200 RPMs, full power, fifth gear, 193 miles an hour, and 660 to the wheel.
Pretty damn good.
It's pretty damn good, folks. Okay. All right. Check us out. eflex fuel system. Hopefully powered by Indy's garage, right? We can say that?
For sure.
For sure, right, man? All right, buddy. Let's go. Now we got to go to PRI. See ya.